Ex-Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren has termed the proposed visit of BJP National General Secretary B.L. Santosh and Northeast in charge Sambit Patra to Manipur as a significant visit that could prove to be a turning point in the present context. N. Biren was speaking on the sidelines of a function that marked the closing of a relief camp for pregnant women which was opened by BJP Manipur Pradesh at Youth Hostel in Kumalam Park since May 21st, 2023. Speaking further, N. Biren termed the visit of BJP national leaders as a crucial visit that could possibly facilitate the formation of a popular government in Manipur, which is under President's rule for months. While maintaining that normalcy is returning to Manipur, N. Biren also lauded the workers of BJP Manipur Pradesh, which had managed to take care of deliveries of 201 babies while providing care to pregnant women from relief camps.
May ki tarik kunna mathoidagi hogi ba dum relief camp sideda asigi adu sida natra khoi ki doctor nurses rims ki tai private ki kari gi chiraba tanja do da isan sing se sing du mateng panbi ki ba hona bi ki ba mayam nurses sing doctor sing du so pai thaga tabung moy adu yam maroina sugum ba yam na luraba laiba phirba thawdo ki tanja sideda angang sing gi da miro labi se ki da ne na wakhal la akanda masjid tongan ma kiam ma thama kana hamira kana do Bharatiya Janata Party ki thobu ba thobu bisin president ki horaga ai su BJP na do ai do masen patha thagale haibna tam wakhal du da isona pira ma si tahoni ba poche si human service ni community service ni and madi masi puna mak tawre puna mak sa isona sanbi ba oisno atang kuiro gi tungda yang wat kok ban thok marak sidaida National General Secretary mana nominee humni concept lakni ba haibusi along with the Northeast in charge masi yamna isam samba visit amadi woiro ina khali let us hope for the best.